Okay, good afternoon, esteemed judges, and also my lovely audience, my dear fellow Palestinians. Yeah, my name is Yash Bhardwaj. I'm an actor, and okay, I'm an actor. I'm a theatre actor. I've been performing in Mumbai, Goa. Urvashi Theatre. That's only my standard. You see? I've got ready. Lalbagh. Okay, anyways, so should I start? Alright. Before there's a piece of instruction. See, these guys are gonna laugh. These are my recorded laughter. Please don't laugh till the time you feel like laughing. Just don't think that I'm some other stage comedian. I'm not any other stage comedian. I just stay here in BDM second stage. I stay here in BDM second stage in 1 BHK flat. Yeah. So, yeah, the college I am from, it's a very beautiful college in Hosur Road. You're not allowed to name the college, right? Sure. Yeah. No bad. Okay. So, it's a pollution-free college. So, yeah. So, our college is known for its strictness. I mean, like, you need to look beautiful. Even the guys, you need to be clean-shaped. Yeah. And also the girls. Girls are supposed to wear patiala, pajamas. And no, 1 second. Yeah. So this was the first 2 days of mine. I was taking everything of this. Like, you know, they were asking me to put my collar down. They were asking me to shave. I was doing everything in joke. Yeah. Collar down. Yeah. Sleeves down. Yeah. Okay. Everything. Because we have assignments. They said you have an assignment. You're retained till 6 o'clock. Oh yeah. Sure. Till 2 days I was expecting. I was looking at the door constantly. I was wondering Cyrus Brocha will come in like, hey, Bakra! Empty Bakra. Now it's been 3 years, I made a permanent Bakra. Or it's not reality. It's like a reality show where you expect out of speaker somebody calling Big Boss chahte hain ki ab abhi se confession दूंगी. I'm just waiting for that call. Okay, there are like there are breeds of people in my college. One breed, special breed. They come pura train bhar ke. They come to Christ. Hey, they are people from Cal.
Don't disturb me.
You understand? Cal. No, that's not a foreign student. They're not from California, they're from Calcutta. They call it Cal. No, they always live their life in plural tense. Hum ye hain, hum wo hain. Everything in plural tense. Like, you know, you have a fight, या लड़ाई होगी जल्दी आ. हाँ हमारा देखा 20-25 लोग आ रहे हैं. घंटी बजती है दरवाजा खुलता है. हाँ आ गया चेटा से. They propose a girl. हम तुमसे प्यार करते हैं. ये लोग क्या? Girl लोग से. Are you serious? Gangbang? The one way you can prove that you're a localite, even if you're not a localite, you always do this. It was the first day of the college, outside the campus, this guy. Hey, Yen! I got really scared, okay? He's like, hey, Yen! Okay, hey, yen. I said, listen, धूप है इसलिए आंखें थोड़ी छोटी लग रही है. मेरे पास yen नहीं, मेरे पास Indian currency है. I don't need yen for that. So, hey, yen beko. Come here. I'm asking. मैं अपनी माँ का एक ही बेटा हूँ, please. Yen, come here. Like, I came really close to him. I was expecting a slap. I don't know why. Then he's like, hey, what's the time, macha? 10 o'clock. Hey, macha! Hatkande! This is what you call Hatkande. You gave a full hat in my... Hatkande? Like, it's very... There's another breed of people in our college. These people are especially from Middle East. They only here... Guys, they only here to trip. Alright? Listen to me. Bro, dude! Trippy dude. What a performer, dude. Trippy dude. Havaldar stops him. Hey, yenna macha. Hey, 3 people tripling. Hey, tripling no. Trippy dude. I just got 20 marks out of 50. Hey, trippy dude. Hey, Tripathi, come here. It's very trippy dude. The only thing, and you know what? There's one thing about Christ. You will never be homesick in Christ. You know why? Everywhere you'll see papas. fathers. There's a competition. Who's the whitest? Mera nirma, tera tight. He's giving a speech. In your wildest fantasies, you just expect tide coming. Chop gaye. Okay. Anyways, moving ahead. There's another trend. Like people have talked a lot about it. That's called Facebook. Yeah, Facebook. Like different types of posts there, saying, if you love your mom, share your mom. Sorry, just share. If you love your mom, share. If your mom is taller than your dad, comment. Otherwise, you won't see them in 25 days. After 25 days, he's scared to call. Is mom there? Yeah, she's still there. He scared the shit out of me. Okay, there's a lot of there's got a community status update. All right, they'll go to some place, some new place, and they just tag everyone. Everyone in the deanery, management deanery, whole management deanery is tagged there. Went to Nandi Hills for the first time with Bunnu, Chunnu, Tunnu, Lunnu. Had an awesome fun, foggy weather, brown sambar and white idlis. Awesome. I mean, like, you know, this called DSLR camera. Yeah? DSLR camera. Now, every girl has got this fantasy of buying a DSLR camera and shooting everything in high definition. Yeah? Shooting everything in high definition. They'll see a potty on the road. They'll see a monkey flying on it. They'll click it. Oh my god. People from St. Joseph, they'll comment, trippy shit, dude. People from CMS will comment, for guest passes, please contact 9890 to cover. People from Christ will comment, dude, you need a haircut. People from Jyoti Nivas will comment, are you getting married soon? And people from Mount Carmel will comment, is that Dolce & Gabbana or just commercial seat? Like, duh. Okay, and also some, like, you know, some status, like they purposely put it up to, to disturb your boyfriend. They say, like, you know, baby, please come soon. It's really hard now. I mean, like, horny ko kaun dal sakta? Sorry, horny ko kaun dal sakta hai? Horny ko kaun dal sakta hai? Anyways, moving ahead, guys. See, one thing I experienced in Bangalore. Was this, like, you know, auto. If you know Kannada, you'll go on Meetup. Alright, any auto. Alright, you stop an auto. I learned specifically the Kannada for auto. Like, Guru, auto. Hey, Jayanagar 4th block. How they? Then one mistake I did. He was about to put down the meter. I said, "Bhaiya, jaldi leke jana." 50 rupees lagi. वहाँ से है खाली आना, खाली जाना. Full traffic. Chiru Boys picture release. Arya the Playboy. 50 rupees. मैंने करा क्या है? You tell me. मैंने करा क्या है? बस पूनम पांडे ट्विटर पे फॉलो किया. बस. Tell me. How can I resist? Alright. Anyways, I was talking about the Freedom Television. My mom never used, she never, whenever I asked her, I want to watch the serial, no. My serial's coming up now. Like the names, alright. There's one serial which comes. If you're middle class, you can't watch the serial. You know why? You need 2 television for that. Just for the name. One television, Jeevan Saathi Hum. Another television, Diya Aur Baati Hum. Alright. कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, obviously when a serial is so gay, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे. And 1000 में मेरी बहन है. Please contact this guy for Threshold because अपनी बहन की marketing कर रहा है. 1000 में मेरी बहन है. And Crime Patrol कितना देती है? And what else? हाँ, Nana is Lado. Okay, इसको custom में पकड़ लिया airport पे. She was carrying some trippy stuff, dude. So she can't get the visa out. Okay, moving on. Now, आज का सेशन खत्म करते हैं बाबा आमदेव के साथ. बाबा आमदेव योगा कराते हैं. बेटा, योगा से सभी का होता है, आपका भी हो जाएगा. बैठ जाओ. तो आज का पहला सेशन स्टार्ट करता हूँ. आसन का नाम है जादू आसन. जादू आसन के लिए अपने हाथ बाहर निकालिए और उंगलियों को ऐसे पार्टीशन कर दीजिए इंडिया और पाकिस्तान की तरह. ऐसे अंगूठे बाहर निकाल के धूप की पहली किरण के साथ अंगूठे को ऊपर नीचे करिए. बोले इससे आप दुनिया की कठोर से कठोर चीज दबा सकते हैं. ऐसे एक और आसन मैं बताता हूँ आपको. इस आसन को बोलते हैं नाभि आसन. नाभि आसन के एक लंबी सांस अंदर
मैं इतनी ले सकता हूँ बेटा, और करो। एक लंबी सांस बाहर, एक लंबी सांस बाहर, अंदर, एक लंबी सांस बाहर। अब इसको अभिषेक बच्चन और शिल्पा शेट्टी गाने के साथ को शट अप एंड बाउंस, शट अप एंड बाउंस, शट अप एंड बाउंस, शट अप एंड बाउंस। देखो बेटा, कुछ भी आसन करने से पहले मन में श्रद्धा होनी चाहिए। हाय मेरी श्रद्धा, अगर असली श्रद्धा हो ना एमजी रोड से लाई हुई। अगला आसन, आसन नहीं है, मैं एक सलाह देना चाहता हूँ। मेरे पास बहुत शिष्य आते हैं, बोलते बाबा बच्चा नहीं होता, बच्चा नहीं होता, बच्चा नहीं होता। अरे भाई, बच्चा होने के लिए तुम्हें गुब्बारे, बलून त्याग दो, इमारत का जोड़ दिखाओ। इस सीमेंट में जान है, बेगानी सीमेंट सदियों के लिए, सदियां काट दो सर्दियों के लिए। एनीवेज, थैंक यू। बाबा समाप्त करते हैं एंड
Guys, I'm not a male escort. मैं खुशियाँ बांटने नहीं आया हूँ. Okay, so there's one more tip. If you're not a localite, with this dance step, you can also use some threatening words. You don't need to know Kannada for that. Just use the places here. Hey, Martali. Hey, Yende Bhupsundra. Hey, Lakshandra. Hey, Lalbagh. Hey, Donglur. And then somebody says, hey, Shivaji Nagar. Hey, Shivaji Nagar, sorry bro. My bad. Sorry bro. I'm really sorry, please. I have a family. You live in Shivaji Nagar? I'm really sorry bro. Please forgive me for that. Please. Yeah? And you know, imagine this guy, like, you know, these type of people are like in a zone of Mithun Chakravarti. You know, it's really like, you know, and these people, like, you know, galti say in the morning, they go to the temple and say, hey, even Shivji is pissed with them. Like, chal yahan damru dega marunga. Chal, ye kar raha hai subah. Sunny Leon. And like, you know, it's really good to, like, you know, perform places like this. I'm really grateful, you know, why? Because when you perform in Christ, मेरे को लगता है कि I'm Jism 2 to be filmed, like, you know, to be showed on Setmax. Too much censor. Only Randeep Huda without shirt. And when Sunny Leon removes the shirt, quickly the advertisements come. Sunny Leon without shirt. आप ना लग What luck? That was so unlucky. Why did you bring Sunny Leon in place of Sunny Leon? I mean, did you see those like सरसों का साग and परसों का साग? Anyways, so
Ayush, you hate your college, don't you?
Yeah.
You hate your college.
No, I love my college. No, seriously, I love it.
Okay, I heard that without ID cards also you are not allowed inside.
Yeah, you know why? See, even the guards interfere with us. No, I have to be really honest. Even the guards.
I'll tell you one thing. We know this because we are all Josephites. Yeah.
So no fights.
Exactly. I wanted you to come up with this. That is the reason I asked.
See, the judges, like those guards, they interfere a lot when you're leaving. They see you, hey, come here. Yes, sir. We call them, sir. We call guards, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, where are you going for fest? Sir, Nimans. Okay, best of luck, na? Best of luck. Sir, Nimans convention. Same thing.